Viking Freezer Repair Service in Los Angeles specializes in Viking freezer repair that consists of Viking refrigerator freezer repair, Viking chest freezer repair, Viking stainless steel freezer repair, along with all other Viking freezer models. If your Viking freezer's not cooling or your freezer's not working, maybe your freezer runs all the time or your freezer's leaking water, maybe your freezer has defrost drain problems or the freezer coils are frosting up, maybe the freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.